Nature is not just beauty. We feel its immense power, demanding and inspiring us to take control. So bit by bit, we slowly make the impossible give way, until one day we engineer. And what begins as hope becomes the reality of tomorrow. Cities for millions that touch the sky, a richer harvest to feed a growing world, keeping food fresh and our children warm in a world that can make more out of less. We dream, we hope, we accomplish through hard work, knowledge, engineering. We are Danfoss, and we are engineering tomorrow.
When my family first came here, this was uncultivated land. Now we've farmed here for more than a century. In my grandfather's day, it was with our bare hands. But not anymore. We've got too much land now. One essential thing my father taught me was to never compromise on quality. He said, do something you can be proud of. So that's how we do business here. We're a tight-knit community. We all depend on each other, and that has not changed since the farm has grown. To deliver that quality, we rely on our equipment. And every time we come in from the field, I can see that's what we're getting. We've been farming this land for generations, making the harvest count. That's what's important. And I want to make sure my son will take over. And I'm sure he will. He's a tough kid.
Nick works hard every day to make his dream come true, and so do we. Engineering mobile hydraulics for improved efficiency and performance, making a difference where it counts, in the field alongside Nick and his colleagues. Sending off Nick's best harvest yet is just the start of the Danfoss journey in engineering the food supply of tomorrow. All around the world, we work to make sure more food stays fresh and safe, all the way to the consumer. Take, for instance, this dairy farm. We help cool the milk all the way from milking to the dairy plant. Peter is an OEM engineer working with industrial production, and innovation has a big place in his heart.
What I love about being an engineer is that when you solve a challenge, you're not just doing it for yourself or for the customer. It has the potential to touch people all around the world.
In this dairy plant, they needed innovative thinking to improve quality and make production more efficient. To help me understand the system and develop the most energy-efficient solutions, I rely on partners like Danfoss, dedicated to engineer better quality and efficiency across the plant. And the solutions we install to increase productivity and save energy in the milk production here can be installed in almost every type of production plant around the world. That is the real potential. Engineering is an unstoppable force, working all around us. People take it for granted, but a simple thing like getting fresh milk every day involves countless processes, all working together like clockwork. Behind panels and walls everywhere, there's amazing engineering. We rely on it every day to give us the comfort and convenience that we have to come to know in our lives. I'm a small but important part of that, and it makes me proud.
From food production to large-scale manufacturing, Danfoss is there, saving energy, preventing waste, and improving quality. And that same approach is behind the Danfoss solutions used to develop the infrastructure for our world's growing cities. Cities built for the future by people like Li Su.
I've always loved the city, the pace, the culture. It's where I feel at home. That is why I work in public office. I want to give something back. New people arrive here every day, all with hopes of being part of something bigger. I want to help build them a city of the future, make a difference to their lives through better transport, better means of exploring the world, and bringing us back home again. It's about being open to new and smarter ways moving forward. Take the opportunity to save energy and improve comfort. In our new district heating system, we reuse the wasted energy from a large power plant to heat the entire city. You can see and feel the difference it's made. Cleaner air for them, and a better standard of living for her. When you get the chance to make a real difference to people's lives, you take it.
At Danfoss, we engineer to make that difference a reality, developing solutions for the intelligent and energy-efficient cities of tomorrow. Our mobile hydraulics allow efficient construction of the roads, utilities and buildings we use, and our heating and cooling solutions ensure fresh air, comfort and a better standard of living. Danfoss is not only making a difference at the grand scale of the cities we live in, we also play a big part in individual homes. Like here in Russia, where Mikhail is installing new solutions to keep his customers warm.
The Russian winter is breathtaking, as long as you enjoy serious sub-zero temperatures. But like everybody else, we prefer to be warm. That takes energy. And for a country this big and cold, we don't want to use more energy than we really need to. The technology we have today, it blows my mind. These new solutions like using the Earth's energy as a heating source, they're amazing. And my customers love the fact that they save energy and money and make their homes better places to live. I live on customer loyalty. I do my best when I'm out installing, but at the end of the day, I rely on the product to deliver. People don't realize how much of a difference these products can make. It's about lower bills, less energy used and more comfort. But I see the change coming, in him and also in our customers. It's great to see how the next generation is really embracing these new solutions for intelligent heating and automatic control. Because thinking about the indoor climate is really thinking about the future of the outdoor climate. It gives me hope for tomorrow.
From rich farming soils to the very heart of the modern city, Danfoss is there, engineering to make a difference. Helping people like Nick, Peter, Li Shu and Mikhail fulfill their goals. To feed a growing world, innovate our industries, raise quality of life, and achieve more with less. That's what drives us, to relentlessly work harder. Engineering the dreams of tomorrow today. For you. For us. Step by step, realizing the potential of this amazing world. Danfoss. Engineering tomorrow.